right, and so up next we have Circular Chaos, followed by Classy.io. Where's yours?
Thank you. As you can see, our project is called Circular Chaos.
Closer.
Okay. Can you hear me? Okay. To us, we are engineers and architects which are providing solutions on environmental issues. So our app is placing itself in the context of circular construction. It automizes the placement of components into building parts. So what was our process? We have a database, we sort about data and we create geometry, and at the end, obviously, a representation. So what does our user need? It's an IFC model, a list of reusable components. And one of the challenges is how to get it. We hope in future we can get material passports which can be downloaded and used for this purpose. So we'll show you our application now. So the way it works, we upload an IFC model, which here is created and visualized. Then we have our list of data list. In our case, we have windows and doors. And what we as well need to specify is the building part which needs to be replaced, or we calculate a new kind of visual information. And we have to specify the path, and then we run our app. So what is the advantage of this app? So it's more efficient. It gives us a more efficient use of components. It has no manual placement. It's working IFC native, and most importantly, it includes reused components into the design process. So the output of our app is a list of elements which are used in the new building part. So you see on the left-hand side, we have the length of the existing wall, we have the components used, and at the end, the length of the elements used to how long is completely with all the elements. Then as second output, we have an IFC model, which is outputted, and we can load it again. So at the moment, it just shows the components here on the bottom left.
All the windows.
That's kind of where we arrived on this weekend. It shows all the components in its size. Yeah, so we have a lot to do and further steps after this. So maybe to us, I think we wanted to develop a tool from designers to designers and just kind of address this issue of how to use reusable materials. Thank you.
Maybe real quick, we did this web app basically using Python on top of Streamlit and IFCGS, and for the model creation, AFC OpenShell. That's what we were doing.